Sarah, thanks for calling back. I'm ringing about Mrs. Thompson, the elderly lady in flat 4B, who had that fall last week. Her mobility was already compromised, as you know, with the bilateral knee osteoarthritis, and she'd been struggling with medication adherence for her hypertension. She was discharged with clear instructions on gentle exercises. However, her daughter called this morning, very distressed. Mrs. Thompson has had another fall, this time resulting in a visibly deformed wrist. Her daughter found her on the floor, saying she felt dizzy and lightheaded just before it happened. The concern isn't just the wrist fracture, which I've arranged an ambulance for, but the underlying cause.
Oh, Mihira. Another fall. Was it a trip, or did she just lose balance? I know her home environment is a bit cluttered.
Her daughter assures me the pathway was clear this time. She insists her mother specifically mentioned feeling dizzy and lightheaded just prior. Given her history of poorly controlled hypertension and previous episodes of near syncope, my immediate thought is that this fall was precipitated by a transient hypotensive event, perhaps related to postural changes. We need to investigate her blood pressure medication regimen.
So Mihira, a cardiovascular event, rather than environmental. I'll make sure the paramedics are aware of that history.
Precisely. The fractured wrist is secondary to the primary event.
Mihira, I understand that having blood tests can sometimes feel like just another step in a process, so I want to explain carefully why they are such a valuable and caring part of your health check. Think of these tests as a detailed, internal snapshot that helps us see how your body is functioning on a level we can't observe from the outside. The main reasons are to gently check on your general state of health, like ensuring your blood cells and minerals are in good balance, and to see how well your essential organs, such as your liver and kidneys, are working. If you are taking any medication, these tests also help us understand its impact on your body, ensuring it is supporting you effectively and safely. It's important to see that these blood tests are not done in isolation, they are a key part of your overall routine health check, which includes other measures like checking your blood pressure and discussing your well-being. Together, all these pieces give us a complete and compassionate picture, allowing us to partner with you in caring for your health proactively and holistically.